So we'll go over to the configurations menu and then down to pairing, over to motor pair. And this screen shows you currently what's paired and what isn't paired. So currently nothing is paired. You will need an even and odd motor to pair together. So we'll enter the first motor, 10, and then we'll go to our next motor, 11. Pair those together by pressing the pound key. To exit, press star. In our pairing menu, there is now a dash between 10 and 11. This shows that they are paired together. To clear all the paired motors, go to Configuration, Motor Pairing, Pair Reset, Pound. For more assistance, contact VendNet Technical Support at 1-800-833-4411 or email service@vendnetusa.com.